Hi everyone. I'd like to share the update. This is video 2 on the natural bug repellent, and I do believe it's working because I had an infestation of those green worms that were chewing up my plants. The first week my plants were devastated, and I developed that well, I shouldn't say I developed it. I got the recipe from someone online, which I stated in my first video. And then I altered it a little bit, but it's fantastic. I mean, the recipe that I'm showing works. And here you can see the new growth of the vegetables, of the herbs. And what happened was, so the first week we got rid of, I found 10 or 12 of those worms that had eaten up everything in one bucket. And then I found them in here and in here. And then after using the spray, I used it twice a week for the first week, twice a week for the second week. By the third week, I used it just once and sprayed, and the worms disappeared. I found some tiny ones about that big, like a ½ inch, very tiny baby ones after the first and second week, but I wasn't seeing the devastation I was seeing before, and I killed those things. And now it looks pretty good. I haven't found any, and the plants are coming back. I've got new growth. They look healthy. They look happy. All of this is new stuff, not getting eaten. This has been completely repaired. This I didn't have a problem with my parsley, but the formula, I'll post it. There's my cilantro. No bugs. And then I used it on my garden. I used it on all my plants, my tomatoes, the squash, the beans, the baby lettuces, everything. Those are new. So I think it works, and basically it's very simple. So the way the recipe was first stated online was ½ gallon of water, ½ teaspoon of red chili pepper, ground up, like chili powder, and then ½ teaspoon of minced garlic and ½ teaspoon of dish soap. Now I use this environmentally responsible liquid dish soap. It's biodegradable and it's naturally derived. I can even wash vegetables in this by diluting it a whole lot and putting it in a tub of water with to wash. But anyway, this ½ gallon of water for all of this, well, this is ¼ of a gallon. So if you're using your typical 32-ounce spray bottle, you won't need this strength. So what I did was I took it and I divided the recipe down in half, and then I mixed it with water a little. I didn't use all that at first, the ½ gallon. I just mixed it with a little water first in the blender, and then I halved the concentrate and put the other part here, and then added water. And this is the concentrate. So I'm still on my first batch. It's been about 4 weeks, and the vegetables are doing great. So I endorse this formula that this woman came up with, and I'll post it down below in the description because I can't take full credit for it. She did an awesome job in what she was putting together. And I guess something like this goes around the internet. There's other bug repellents that are natural. But anyway, I hope this works for you. And post your comments below, and please like and come back now and then. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.